Hi, this is Todd with ESOTERIC Car Care. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Miyabi Pro Kit. Miyabi Pro Kit, what is it? Well, quite simply, it's just everything that you need to do a coating all in one convenient kit. We get a lot of phone calls and a lot of emails asking about what they need to get the job done. You know, they trust us as experts at it, just say, tell me what I need, I'll buy everything. So we're going to start putting together a lot more complete kits to make it a much easier and complete solution for you to do the work at home, whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or whether you're a professional detailer. But what this does, we've taken our #1 selling coating that we have, which is Miyabi coating from Kamikaze collection, and we put all the other items together. Starting out with it, before you go in and do any coating application, you're using Gyeon Prep. This is used to completely clean the surface and get it ready for coating application. You want to make sure that that surface is as clean as possible. The cleaner the better the bond and the longer the durability that you're getting out of it. So even after a strip wash or whatever, if you've got some kind of waxes or sealants left over, a couple of applications of Gyeon Prep, and that's going to help pull that off of there. Now you've got it prepped and ready to coat. It comes complete with a bottle of Miyabi Coat. Now this one here, a little bit goes a long way. It's a 30 ml bottle, but you should easily be able to get multiple coats on a car and then still have quite a bit left over. You know, if you've got a dark car in particular, doing multiple coats on it just really amplifies the gloss that you get out of it. A single layer is a very good coating. It's going to last you 18 to 24 months. 2 layers, going to bump that up just a little bit, but the biggest difference that you get are the looks of it. So you get your coating, you've got an applicator block and applicators, and then for maintaining it, we've done a video, if you want to check it out up here, done a video on how to properly maintain a coated car. Goes into all the details and the products that you need to use. One of the items we talk about there in particular is Overcoat from Kamikaze collection. It's designed to be a sacrificial layer. It has similar properties to the coating itself. As I talk about extensively in that video, you don't want to be using waxes and sealants and things like that on it. You want to use products designed specifically for coatings. This should be able to get you through an entire year of maintenance on it, because you're not going to do it after every wash. Literally, you can do this once a quarter and it would be fine. If you're like me and you always like to have a fresh coat on there, maybe every 3 or 4 washes, you can just use a little bit of this in your towel, wipe it down after you wash it, and it's going to top everything off. You also get water spot remover from Kamikaze. This was designed specifically to work with glass coatings. You know, with glass coatings, one of the drawbacks of them, they can be susceptible to water spotting, particularly if you're not using right kind of maintenance product on it. Well, what this does, this will help remove those water spots without damaging the coating itself. It's very good. It's just all part of their vehicle maintenance package that they have. Between you got your coating, you've got your maintenance product, and you've got something designed specifically for it to remove any kind of water spotting or issues. And then finally, you get a couple of microfiber towels for the removal process of the coating. You're going to go through a couple of towels, you're going to throw them away afterwards because once you remove that coating from the surface, it gets into the towel, it turns hard and crunchy and will scratch up anything that it touches. So a couple of towels, throw them away when you're done. So now you've got a complete kit. It's going to make it really easy for you. Try to take the guesswork out of it. You've got stuff from prep to the coating to maintaining everything afterwards, all in one complete kit. If you have any additional questions on it, make sure you leave them down below in the comments section. Hit that like button, share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're constantly updating with new videos on detailing tips, tools, and techniques. For the Miyabi Pro Kit, ESOTERIC Car Care, I'm Todd Cooprider. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.